I need to put my oil pastel painting behind glass even though I've varnished it? Let's look into it. Morning, John here for a Wednesday. So I had a question from a subscriber. Now I'm going to try and pronounce this name. It's Michiko Sayamamoto, I think. So not a name that I'm familiar with, obviously. But anyway, she asked me, do I need to put my oil pastel painting behind glass even though I varnished it? Well, in short, the answer is no, you don't. However, there's a few sort of permutations from that, and I'll explain now. So, you do your oil pastel painting and you decide that you're going to varnish it. So, the amount of varnish you put on this is going to make a difference, whether you frame it behind glass or not. Oh, there's my putty cat. Anyway, so if I was going to not frame it, which is what varnish is made for, apart from fixing it, obviously the obvious thing is that it fixes it and it protects it, but the varnish is also used for framing in an open frame, so to make it look like a normal oil painting. So you can put varnish on there, but I would put 2 or 3, possibly 4 coats on there, thin coats, and build it up, because it could still be liable to scratching and you need to leave it for a while anyway to cure, so that it gives it the full protection that it possibly could have. And then you won't need to put it behind glass. Then it will look like an open frame oil painting. So that's what varnish is all about, apart from the fixing aspect. The following 2 paintings are paintings that I have done and finished. As you can see, they're still on the drawing board, but I've varnished them and basically I've just left them. They sit in my spare room at the moment until such time as I want to get them framed. So varnishing has protected them, and it will just go straight in a frame when I'm ready, or an open frame if that's what I choose to do. So let's say we do want to put it behind glass. Would you varnish it then? Well, yes you would. But you don't have to. So I would personally, and all my pictures, and I'll show you a couple of them in the frames, I have varnished them anyway. And there's, you know, the reason for that is somebody may want to take the picture out of that frame, put it in another frame. Not only that, you could get bugs in the summer that get behind the glass. You could possibly get condensation on the inside of the glass and what have you. So I think really it's best to protect it, in my opinion. So yes, I would varnish it and put it behind glass. I would double mount this behind glass, because just like soft pastels, if you haven't fixed it, then you could potentially push the picture against the glass when transporting or whatever. You'd push the cardboard back, or the hardboard back, and it could potentially leave some oil pastel on the glass. Here's 2 of my earlier oil pastels, which I have now framed. When I first framed these, they were not varnished, and as you can see, there's no problems with them at all. And then I varnished them, and then I put them back in the frame. As you can see, I've double mounted them for added extra protection. Please excuse the reflections. So yes, varnish it. Still put it behind glass. You don't have to. If you do put it behind glass, still varnish it anyway, but you don't have to. If you don't put it behind glass, you can put it in a normal open frame. So that was a great question. And if anybody else has got any questions like that, I'm always up for answering them. Can I please make an appeal for everyone who's watching, and there are literally thousands of you, to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then I won't have the motivation to make more videos, and I do love and enjoy helping you to paint. So if you could like and subscribe and share, that would be absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. So I hope that has helped you. Next time I will show you some pictures, and I will also get to the point when I finish my tiger picture, which is sitting in front of me. I will show you how I will go about varnishing that as well. So whomever you are, wherever you are, please have a great day, a great week and a great year, and please be kind. Take care for now. Bye.